Hey guys, today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it, and just click here in this sign. It's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just click here on general here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next here. So then you come here to pass clipboard images as png here. Clicking this sign, then like you see this color show for us, that's mean here pass clipboard images as png enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.